everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you one of the cleanest and simplest trading strategies I have tested recently. And the best part, it only uses two indicators, both available for free on TradingView. If you're just starting out and you feel overwhelmed by all the complicated stuff, don't worry, I've got you. This strategy is beginner friendly, super easy to follow, and in the end, I walk you through live trade examples so you see exactly how it works. So grab your coffee, let's dive in. First thing first, we're gonna use the Trendcraft ICT Swift Edge indicator. Yeah, that's a long name, but don't let it scare you. It's basically a smart buy and sell indicator that changes colors based on the trend. Here's how you edit. Head over to the Indicators tab on TradingView, search for Trendcraft ICT Swift Edge, and make sure you select the one by Trendcraft. Once it's added, open the settings and do this. Under Input, change the SMA length to 39, then go to the Style tab and uncheck the Pane labels and line options. We're keeping it clean. Now what you will see is two lines. The red one is SMA high and the green one is the SMA low. And here's the cool part. When both lines turn red and price is below them, it's a sell signal. When both lines are green and price is above them, that's your buy signal. But, and this is important, don't take trades just based on that. We need confirmation, and that's where the second indicator comes in. Let's add the THMA VWAP oscillator. Search for it in the Indicator tab. Again, it's free, and click the one that says THMA. Now, tweak the settings like this. In the Style tab, turn off extra visuals. We just want the line. In the Inputs tab, change TMA length to 30, change trend length to 18. Done? Now you will see a colored line. Green means we are in an uptrend, red means we are in a downtrend. Super simple. Alright, let me give you the full trading rules now. For a sell trade, both SMA lines are red, price is below both lines, THMA line is red, and you see a bearish candle. That's your go time for a short position. For a buy trade, SMA lines are green, price is above both lines, THMA line is green, and a nice bullish candle forms. That's your entry for a long. So your stop loss just beyond the SMA line and go for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Now let's look at this strategy in action. I tested it on XAUUSD Gold on the 15-minute chart. First example, buy trade. All conditions are lined up. SMA is green, price is above it, THMA line turns green, bullish candle shows up. We take the trade, set the stop loss below SMA, go for 1.5 times reward. And boom, take profit hit. Second example, sell trade. Same story reversed. SMA is red, price is below it, THMA red, bearish candle, enter the short, set stop loss above SMA, and the market drops straight to take profit. Another buy setup. Same rules, another win. And just to show you, here's a signal we didn't take. SMA looked good, but THMA stayed red. That's a no-go. Why? Because this filter keeps us out of bad trades. And trust me, that alone can save your account. Are you still confused and don't know how to enter a trade? No problem. In the following, we'll look at a few examples together on the chart so that you fully understand. Now, quick note here. Don't just blindly trust any indicator or strategy. Backtest it. Try it on demo. Go comfortable before risking real money. Trading isn't magic. It's about discipline and sticking to the plan. And that's it. If you enjoyed this strategy or want me to test it on other pairs, let me know in the comments. I'm reading every single one. Also, if this video helped you even a little bit, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.